guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Beauty by Amma here. In this video I'll be showing you how I mix my base cream, or literally how to mix a base cream. So a base cream is just a normal cream which you use on your skin. It's good for normal skin, it's good for dry skin, it's good for oily skin. It's just a normal cream. It's like making a cream from scratch. Let's get down to the video. And please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new subscribers, please welcome. I'll be showing you tips and tricks on how to take care of your skin. So let's get on to the video. Hello guys, these are the ingredients I'm going to be using for this. This our cream, e-wax. This is half cup of e-wax. That is what I'll be using because I'm not doing a big quantity. I'll be needing distilled water. Yeah. Coconut oil, vitamin E oil, essential oil, and then the preservative. Okay, let's get started. I'll get my cup. I'll be pouring my e-wax in. And then I'll get 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. You can see what I'm doing. Okay. And then I'll get I'll be needing like 100 ml of distilled water. So I'll be putting it in the boiling water. I'll put it on top of the boiling water, not inside, on top of the boiling water. So I put my cup in there and then put. So the distilled water has to be 140 degrees, including the e-wax and our oil method. So we're gonna put it and make sure it is 100 degrees. So I'll be putting it straight in the pot. Okay, that is our boiling water. We'll put it in a low heat. There we go. And also my distilled water. Okay, so I'll be checking on it time to time and see how our oil is doing. Okay, this is our oil now. Our e-wax and the coconut oil is all melted now. So, and this is our distilled water. So I will get a mixing bowl. Pour my oil into, and then get my mixer ready. Okay, we're going to pour our distilled water. I love my cream very thick. I don't like watery like lotion. I prefer cream. So most usually cream gets thicker. The more e-wax and the little quantity of distilled water you put makes your cream thicker. Okay, so I will put, okay, here's it. Oh, put that down. At this point, I'm going to be to put my what's it called? Essential oil. This is lavender one. So I'm going to drop 10 drops of it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Preservative. So I'm going to leave all this in the description below. So I'll be needing half teaspoon of it. As you can see, I'm making a small quantity of this cream. Weeks and weeks. So yeah. Mixing. Okay. Wrap. Okay guys, here is my cream mixture. This is how to make base cream. So this is the base cream. So if you want to proceed on making a lightening skin from the base cream, you continue with a lightening skin. I'm going to make a video on that also. So let's see our cream feels in the skin. I rub it. That's it. Oh, feels nice. Feels nice on the skin. So yeah. So, okay guys, that is all. And it's thick at the moment because I'm going to mix more ingredient, but I'm not showing it on this video because this video is all about how to make a base cream, how to make a cream from scratch. So this is our base cream. It feels soft and nice on the skin. So yeah, I'm going to continue with my mixture, but yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and don't forget to leave a thumbs up and like and subscribe to my channel, please guys. So I'll see you guys on my next video. Thank you guys for watching this. Bye.